Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to hide and unhide Facebook post on your Facebook app. So let's start. First, open the Facebook app. First, tap on three bars on top right corner and go to your profile. Now scroll down and you'll see that I have many posts on my profile. But I'll just upload a picture. I'll upload this picture. I'll just directly post it. And now the picture is posted. Now tap on the three dots and tap on Hide from Timeline. Then tap on Confirm. And now the post is hidden from my timeline. Now scroll to the top and tap on three dots on right hand side. Then go to Activity Log. Now tap on Filters. Then tap on Category. Now tap on Logged Actions and Other Activity. Then go to Hidden from Timeline. And you'll see the post here. Now tap on the three dots on right hand side. Then tap on Show on Timeline. And the video will be displayed on your timeline. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.